Hello children.
Hi Dad.
Every day we boil water and milk at home, don't we?
Yes Dad.
What do you observe there?
Milk spills over on boiling, but water does not.
Okay, fine. Have you ever thought why does milk spill over on boiling but water doesn't?
No Dad.
Okay, it's okay. Come on, let's explore and see what happens. Children, you can see water and milk boiling in two vessels. You know that milk mainly contains fat and protein molecules. These are the main constituents of a milk. When milk boils, the fat layer separates as cream on the top and there is a separation of constituents of milk. You can see as the milk boils, a creamy layer is being formed on the top. This creamy layer being lighter, it floats and occupies the top layer. See the creamy layer beautifully forming and it is floating over the milk surface. Okay. So the boiling point of milk and the creamy layer is different. Milk boils at 100 degrees Celsius, but the fat being lighter, its boiling point is different. All the water present in the milk gets converted into water vapor while it is boiling. Since this gas cannot escape through the creamy layer on the top, you can see it's coming up because the pressure starts mounting up at the bottom. And the milk continuously boils and more water vapor is formed at the bottom. And these rising bubbles of steam makes the milk overflow. We can see the milk is overflowing. And you can easily see the creamy layer formed on the milk surface. Alright? Yeah. But take the case of water. The water is boiling. See, it is getting agitated there. Pure water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. But you may wonder why this is not happening in case of water. The water level still remains at the same. Because water doesn't contain any film or layer on the top. You can see no such layer is formed to arrest or trap the gases. As a result, the gases escape out as soon as the water is converted into water vapor. Is it clear?
Yes Dad. Dad, is it only applicable in case of milk?
No, this phenomenon is not exclusive to milk. If you cook rice in a closed pan, there is a bit of overflow due to the foam produced. Even in oil refinery, you can notice this phenomenon. Alright children?
Yes Dad, very interesting. Dad, how can you prevent milk from boiling over?
It's very simple children. There is a fast fix for this problem. Is to put a long handle spoon into the pot. This spoon, what does the spoon do? The spoon breaks the surface tension. It breaks the creamy layer and allows the steam to escape out. See, the creamy layer is broken and the steam is escaping out. So it doesn't spill over. Very simple.
Yes Dad, it is amazing.
Yes, that is very amazing.
Thank you. Yes. Record आया था?